You can really say that this is a crisis of Roger Stone's own making, and it began a few days ago when he posted a photo of the judge in this case, Amy Berman Jackson, on Instagram. And in the back of that photograph, you could see a target or a crosshairs. And Stone also included derogatory language about the special counsel investigation. He eventually took that photo down from Instagram. He reposted it without the crosshairs. He kind of moderated his derogatory language. Then he ultimately took all of it down and apologized, but that was apparently not enough for the federal judge in this case. Earlier today, Stone arrived at the federal courthouse here in downtown Washington. He did not speak to reporters. That's because of the partial gag order in the case that prevents him from speaking on the courthouse steps. I mention that because what we expect today is that the judge will revisit a number of issues, including the partial gag order and also his bail, which right now is $250,000, and whether those Instagram postings amounted to a threat against an individual, in this case the judge, or any kind of effort to thwart or obstruct justice in this case. Also, as you mentioned, we're tracking the Robert Mueller special counsel report, and based on our reporting here at Fox News, our contacts say that they believe they are in the end stages of the investigation, though there's been no formal report or confirmation to the president's lawyers that Robert Mueller has completed. But we're looking for something in days and weeks, but not longer. And that's because several data points have aligned. First and foremost, the new Attorney General William Barr is in position at the Justice Department. He has also nominated a new number 2, Jeffrey Rosen, a senior Department of Transportation official. And we also have an end date for the current Deputy Attorney General Rod Rosenstein, who oversaw the Russia probe for about 18 months. And he's always indicated that he wanted to remain at Justice until Robert Mueller delivered the report. Just to kind of sort of tamper expectations here, once that report is delivered to the Attorney General from Robert Mueller, it is considered a confidential report for the eyes only of the Attorney General, and William Barr will decide what summary he makes available to members of Congress as well as the public here. But just for context, he's already testified that he wants to make as much of the findings public as is reasonable in this case, Harris.
Catherine Herridge, thank you very much.